footage from up to 2 miles away without ever being seen by the enemy. It uses some of the most advanced military technology in the world. This technology allows you to take spectacular, breathtaking photos and videos, crystal clear and steadier than ever. What's interesting about this drone is that until a few weeks ago it was unavailable to the public because only one company owned the patent for the technology. They were only selling it to the military, who could afford their expensive price of $5,000 per drone. But on December 15, 2021, the patent expired, allowing new companies to enter the marketplace and start selling these super powerful drones to the public. Most companies are still charging up to $5,000 for these high-tech drones because they know they can get away with it. But a drone company founded by 2 former Navy SEALs gained access to this patent and are producing them at a price that's actually affordable for everyday Americans. They called it the Sky Quad. Because it was built by former Navy SEALs, it's packed with cutting-edge technology like the Follow Me feature that lets you take amazing videos of yourself without using the controller. Its advanced GPS functionality means it can track your location within 3,000 feet and return to you quickly when experiencing a weak signal or when the battery is low. The collision detection function prevents any accidental damage or crashes, making this drone the toughest quadcopter ever produced. It's been really popular with the hiking and outdoor adventure crowd, which makes sense because this kind of device is perfect for taking on a hike up in the mountains. Thanks to the gimbal stabilizer, the camera can tilt in any direction to get the perfect shot. We've gotten tons of messages from people who like to use it to take beautiful pictures and videos on weekend trips and others who just love to fly it in their backyard. The Sky Quad is also perfect for your next vacation, to capture stunning landscapes, explore the area, and immerse yourself in nature in the most unique way. John from Michigan went on a hiking trip with his girlfriend, and they had an epic trip. The best part about the whole trip was that he could capture precious moments with his new Sky Quad drone. What's really cool about these Sky Quad drones is that they have built-in altitude sensors, which allows you to remain stable while you hover to shoot extremely smooth footage. Sky Quad drone has a lot of cool features such as autopilot and 360 loops to make your video stand out. This drone is so sturdy you can even take it for a flight when there's level 6 wind outside. It's pretty crazy when you think about it. So anyway, let's talk about the price. These drones literally used to be sold for $5,000 for just a single drone, but thanks to this new American company, the price of this drone is only $198, and if you click the button below right now, Sky Quad is offering a one-time only 50% discount for first-time buyers. So you can get one of these military-grade drones for the super low price of $99. Sky Quad drone comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, so if you aren't satisfied for any reason at all, we'll give you a full refund, no questions asked. If you want to get this $5,000 foldable drone for a tiny fraction of the real price, click the button below right now and get your own Sky Quad drone with 50% off.
Do you know the US solar company's nasty little secret? It turns out they'd have to give you solar panels for completely no net cost.